If you're looking to assign leads in TeamGate CRM and want a simple, clear explanation of how to do it, you're in the right place. This quick guide will take you through everything you need to know to assign leads effectively and improve your sales team's workflow. Stick around to the end, as I'll also share some alternatives that might better suit your needs and give you access to exclusive deals. Let's dive in. The first thing you need to know when assigning leads in TeamGate CRM is navigating to the lead management section. Once you're logged in, go to the Leads tab on the left side of the screen. This is where all your leads will appear. If you're new to TeamGate, this is your central hub for tracking potential customers and ensuring they're followed up properly. Next thing, once you're in the leads section, you'll see a list of all your leads. To assign a lead to a specific team member, simply click on the lead you want to assign. A panel will appear on the right side where you can update the lead's details. There, you'll find a drop-down menu with a list of your team members. Select the team member you want to assign the lead to. It's that simple. The third thing you might want to know is that TeamGate CRM allows you to assign leads based on specific criteria, which can save a lot of time and ensure leads are being worked by the right person. For example, you can set up filters based on geographic location, lead source, or the product they're interested in. This ensures that each team member is only getting leads that are relevant to them, streamlining the entire process. Now, let's talk about lead distribution. TeamGate doesn't just let you assign leads manually. You can automate this process. Under the Automations tab, you can set up rules for how leads are assigned based on conditions you set. For example, when a new lead comes in from a specific campaign or region, it can be automatically assigned to the right sales rep. This feature helps eliminate manual work and ensures no lead is left unassigned. The fifth thing is that TeamGate provides you with a clear overview of your assigned leads. Under the Reports tab, you can track which team member has the most leads, which ones are converting, and where the bottlenecks are. This visibility allows you to optimize lead assignments in the future and keep your sales process running smoothly. But as with any software, there are a few drawbacks. While TeamGate is solid for small to medium-sized teams, if you're looking for advanced customization options or more integration capabilities, you might find it limiting. It's a user-friendly CRM with a straightforward interface, but the lack of flexibility could be a concern as your business grows. Here's the open loop I promised. I'm going to mention some alternatives at the end of this video that not only offer more advanced features, but also provide better pricing for teams that need a bit more flexibility. These alternatives also have free trials, and through our exclusive link, you'll get the best benefits available. But before I get to that, let's quickly recap how easy it is to assign leads in TeamGate CRM. Go to the Leads tab, click on the lead, select the team member from the dropdown, and you're done. And don't forget that you can automate this process for maximum efficiency. Now for the alternatives. If you're looking for something more robust or with better scalability, I recommend checking out Competitor CRM Name. They offer advanced automation, better reporting, and integrations with other software, making them a better fit if your business is scaling up. Plus, they offer a free trial, and through our link, you'll get exclusive perks that are only available to our viewers. So, if you're looking to dive into TeamGate CRM for assigning leads, it's a great starting point. But if your business needs more features or better flexibility, be sure to check out the alternatives I mentioned. Use the link in the description for your exclusive extended free trial and benefits. Thanks for watching.